Hi guys, I'm going to make a big plate with special marble effect clay. I have here about 2 kilos of this kind of clay. So let's start.
When you want to create the plate, you will start with centering the clay and opening the form vertically. Once the size is satisfactory, you need to leave the edges and later bend them. Using a chamois, a sponge and a metal rib, Nir is now smoothing them. Don't forget to trim the bottom of the plate. A bit of touch-ups and Nir can cut the plate off. He will leave it on a bath for a few days to dry. After a few days, he's trimming the bottom part, also not forgetting about the signature. Different shades of the clay blended when Nir was using the water, so now he can trim all of the plate to reveal this amazing marble effect. Ready, we're gonna leave it to dry. After it dried up completely, I can decorate it. I've already drawn a leaf with pencil. Now I'm filling it up with underglaze. Once I finish, we're gonna do the first firing. This is our plate after the first firing. Nir is applying wax on the bottom part, so it will not catch the glaze. We will use the translucent glaze, it's important to stir it well. Now Nir is dipping our plate in a bucket. After that, it's all ready for the second firing. This is the final effect after the second firing. Let us know in the comment section down below what do you think about it. If you are into pottery videos, in the description box down below you will find links to our previous ones. For example, making a pottery hand-carved mug, one-piece coffee jar, makeup brushes holder or hand-carved vase. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss anything. It's completely free. You can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!